Welcome to Rainykidschannel. Hi kids, welcome to our fun and educational series on handwriting. In this exciting whiteboard animation, we'll embark on a colorful journey to discover the magic of writing. Get ready to join us as we learn the ABCs. Let's grab our markers and get started on this creative adventure together.
A for apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. B for baby. B-A-B-Y, baby. C for cat. C-A-T, cat. D for dog. D-O-G, dog. E for egg. E-G-G, egg. F for fish. F-I-S-H, fish. G for gift. G-I-F-T, gift. H for hen. H-E-N, hen. I for ice cream. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M, ice cream. J for jam. J-A-M, jam. K for kite. K-I-T-E, kite. L for lemon. L-E-M-O-N, lemon. M for mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. N for nine. N-I-N-E, nine. O for one. O-N-E, one. P for pen. P-E-N, pen. Q for question. Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N, question. R for rose. R-O-S-E, rose. S for sun. S-U-N, sun. T for ten. T-E-N, ten. U for umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. V for van. V-A-N, van.
W for watch. W-A-T-C-H, watch.
X for xylophone. X-Y-L-O-P-H-O-N-E, xylophone.
Y for yawn. Y-A-W-N, yawn.
Z for zinnia. Z-I-N-N-I-A, zinnia. like, share, and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.